All right, guys. So we got the standard buggy together, and we were out doing a little test running. My initial goal was to not go very hard, maybe like 25%, just give it a spin around the block, if you will. But we at RC Command don't believe in doing things the right way, so we got into a little bit of trouble, just whipping some donuts. And I don't know if this axle was on its way out or what the deal is. It is a 5mm heavy duty shaft from Metal Concepts. And the reason why I'm doing this video is, as far as I know, I am the only one that's running Metal Concepts rear axles in the back of my buggies. And so therefore we don't see a whole lot of tech, and we don't see a whole lot of people running into problems with them. I'm not saying that it is the best axle for rock bouncing, but it is rugged. It is tough as nails, and I've had really good luck with them. So I've removed all the hardware. You can kind of see how I have it laid out. I'm very meticulous about how I do this stuff because I really don't want to screw it up. So the axle is a two-piece axle. It splits off. The pinion and ring and everything stays in there. So we remove the back half. And as you can see, we had some issues with the right rear axle. Just, you can see it spinning in there. That's no good. So let's pull it out here. Okay. And then here's the right axle. That's the first time I've actually twisted an axle. You can see it is actually twisted and broke off. So I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure exactly when it happened, um, but that is some serious damage. So we're going to try to get the broken piece out of there. It shouldn't be too difficult. And there you can see the broke piece. So we will put that on the wall of broken parts. Unfortunately, Metal Concepts does not have any 5mm shafts available. So we are gonna go with our backup 4mm shafts for now. And I think that'll suffice. If you were wondering what we're running 4313s. HD gears. We get them from a number of manufacturers, Vanquish or Hot Racing or whoever we can get them from at the moment. These shafts are still complete. We took them out, replaced bearings and everything. So these should slide right in. Gonna get some fresh dry pins in there. Put some fresh grease in there. I usually do a lot of maintenance on these buggies, so I just use a cheap grease from your local parts store, and I have yet to have any issues. I like pulling these apart and seeing what's happening. Like this twisted axle, I'm pretty impressed. That's I've seen that happen in 1-to-1 buggies, but I've never seen personally I've never seen a axle twist. They just usually snap right off. So there it is, guys. All fixed up, going into the back of the buggy.